They say the greatest stories start with a whisper. In the world of technology, those whispers often begin in Cupertino, California, the home of Apple, the birthplace of innovation. Today the whispers are about the iPhone 16, a device shrouded in secrecy, a revolution waiting to be unveiled. The anticipation is palpable. Tech enthusiasts are on the edge of their seats, rumors are swirling like autumn leaves in a windstorm. What will Apple surprise us with this time? What hidden features will they conjure up? The answers, my friends, are closer than you think. Get ready to delve into the world of the iPhone 16. We'll explore its groundbreaking features, we'll uncover the stories behind its creation, and we'll discover how this remarkable device is poised to reshape our digital lives. To understand the iPhone 16, we must first understand its lineage. The iPhone isn't just a phone, it's a cultural phenomenon. It's a testament to Apple's relentless pursuit of innovation. Each iteration has pushed the boundaries of technology. Each generation has redefined what a smartphone can be. From the first iPhone's groundbreaking touchscreen to Siri's intelligent voice assistant, Apple has consistently surprised us. They've ignored the naysayers, they've defied expectations. The iPhone 16 is the culmination of this legacy. It's a bold step forward, a leap into the future of mobile technology. But the iPhone 16 is more than just an upgrade, it's a statement. It's Apple showing the world that their passion for innovation burns brighter than ever. Are you prepared to witness this revolution? Before we dive into the heart of the iPhone 16, let's take a trip down memory lane. Let's test your knowledge of Apple's iconic device. Can you match the iPhone model to its release year? 1. iPhone 7, 2. iPhone X, 3. iPhone 5S, 4. iPhone 11. This quiz is just a fun reminder of how far we've come. Each iPhone has marked a point in our technological journey. Now, let's turn our attention to the latest milestone, the iPhone 16. The first thing you'll notice about the iPhone 16 is its design. It's a marvel of modern engineering and aesthetics. Apple has always had a knack for crafting objects of desire. Their products are not just functional but also beautiful, and the iPhone 16 is a testament to that legacy. The iPhone 16 is no exception. It stands out with its refined elegance and attention to detail. Imagine a sleek, seamless device. Every curve and line is meticulously crafted to create a harmonious whole. The edges are smooth and polished, giving it a premium feel that is unmistakable. The glass front blends seamlessly into the metal frame, creating a unified look that is both modern and timeless. It feels substantial in your hand, yet incredibly light. This balance of weight and lightness makes it a joy to hold and use. The display is bigger and brighter than ever before. It's designed to provide an immersive visual experience. Colors pop with vibrant energy, making everything from photos to videos look stunningly lifelike. Blacks are deep and inky, creating an immersive viewing experience that draws you in. The bezels have shrunk even further, making the screen feel like a boundless window into the digital world. This edge-to-edge display maximizes your viewing area. Holding the iPhone 16 is an experience in itself. It's not just a phone, it's a piece of art that you interact with every day. It feels like the future, materialized. The advanced technology packed into this sleek design is nothing short of revolutionary. But the beauty of the iPhone 16 is more than skin deep. It's a combination of form and function, where every element serves a purpose. Let's explore the design choices that make this phone truly special. From the materials used to the innovative features, every aspect has been thoughtfully considered to enhance your experience. Section 5. Design delights, more than just a pretty face. The iPhone 16 is not just a technological marvel, it's a piece of art. Every curve, every line on the iPhone 16 serves a purpose. The design is meticulously crafted to ensure both beauty and functionality. Take, for instance, the new camera system. It's been completely redesigned to offer not just superior performance but also a sleek, integrated look. The lenses are now integrated seamlessly into the back of the phone, creating a smooth, uninterrupted surface. This creates a sense of visual harmony that is both pleasing to the eye and functional. It also improves the phone's ergonomics, making it more comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. Apple has also introduced new color options for the iPhone 16, allowing users to choose a device that truly reflects their personal style. These aren't just your average colors. They're sophisticated hues with a subtle depth that changes with the light. They're sophisticated hues with a subtle depth. Each color is designed to catch the light in a unique way, adding to the phone's allure. Imagine a deep midnight blue that shimmers in the light, offering a sense of mystery and elegance. Or a warm rose gold that exudes elegance and sophistication, perfect for those who want their phone to make a statement. These colors aren't just about aesthetics. They're about expressing your personal style and making your phone an extension of yourself. They're about expressing your personal style. With these new color options, you can choose a phone that truly represents who you are. Apple understands that a phone is more than just a device. It's a part of our daily lives, a tool we use to connect, create, and share. It's an extension of ourselves, a reflection of our personality and our tastes, a reflection of our personality. The iPhone 16's design allows you to showcase your individuality. The design of the iPhone 16 reflects this understanding. It's a phone that's as beautiful to look at as it is to use, combining form and function in perfect harmony. It's a phone that's as beautiful to look at as it is to use. With its sleek design and innovative features, the iPhone 16 is more than just a pretty face. It's a masterpiece of modern technology. Section 6. A camera that captures the soul. Of course, no iPhone would be complete without a groundbreaking camera. The iPhone 16 takes mobile photography to a whole new level. The new sensor is larger and more sensitive than ever before. This means you can capture stunning images even in low light conditions. But it's not just about hardware. Apple's computational photography algorithms have also been significantly enhanced. The iPhone 16 can now understand the scene you're trying to capture. It can adjust the settings automatically to produce images that are not just sharp and clear, but also emotionally resonant. Imagine capturing the perfect portrait of a loved one, the light dancing in their eyes, or freezing a fleeting moment in time, the colors vivid and alive. With the iPhone 16, the possibilities are endless. Section 7. The brains behind the beauty iOS 18. The iPhone 16 isn't just about hardware. It's a seamless blend of cutting-edge technology and intuitive design. It's also about the software that brings it to life, making every interaction smooth and efficient. iOS 18, the latest version of Apple's mobile operating system, is designed to make your life easier, more productive, and more enjoyable. It introduces a host of new features and improvements. One of the key new features of iOS 18 is enhanced augmented reality capabilities. This technology has been taken to the next level. Imagine using your iPhone to overlay digital information onto the real world. This opens up a world of possibilities. You could point your phone at a restaurant and see its menu instantly, complete with reviews and ratings, or you could get step-by-step directions overlaid onto your view of the street, making navigation easier than ever. iOS 18 is also packed with features designed to enhance your privacy and security. Apple has made significant strides in this area. Your data is more protected than ever before with advanced encryption and security protocols. You have more control over the information you share with apps and websites. This means you can decide what data to share and what to keep private. With iOS 18, Apple is putting you back in control of your digital life. It's not just about new features, it's about giving you peace of mind. Section 8. Beyond the spec sheet, the untold story. The development of the iPhone 16 was a closely guarded secret, but even the tightest-lipped engineers can't contain every whisper. Rumors of a revolutionary new display technology have been circulating for months, and now we can finally reveal the truth. The iPhone 16 features a groundbreaking new display technology called Promotion XDR. This technology combines the best features of OLED and mini-LED displays, resulting in an unparalleled visual experience. Imagine a display with perfect blacks, incredible brightness, and an astonishingly fast refresh rate. This isn't just an incremental improvement, it's a quantum leap forward in display technology. Section 9. The iPhone 16's reach, a world transformed. The iPhone 16 is more than just a phone, it's a gateway to a world of possibilities. With its advanced technology and intuitive design, it has the power to transform the way we live, work, and play. Imagine a world where your phone is your digital key. It unlocks your car, your home, and your office. It stores your payment information securely and lets you make purchases with a tap. With the iPhone 16, this vision of the future is closer than ever before. The iPhone 16 isn't just a product, it's a platform for innovation. It's a tool that empowers developers, creators, and entrepreneurs to bring their ideas to life. It's a catalyst for progress, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Section 10. Join the conversation. Your voice matters. The release of the iPhone 16 is just the beginning of the story. Now it's your turn to experience the magic. What are your thoughts on the new features? What excites you most about the iPhone 16? Share your thoughts, your excitement, and your questions in the comments below. Let's start a conversation about the future of technology. Let's explore the possibilities together. Your voice matters, your insights are valuable. Let's make this a dialogue, a shared journey into the heart of innovation. Section 11. The future unfolds. The iPhone 16 is a testament to the power of human ingenuity. It's a reminder that anything is possible when we dare to dream big. As we hold this device in our hands, we're not just holding a phone. We're holding the future. The future is bright, the future is connected, and the future is here.